This production is brought to you by the University of Edinburgh.
The Breakthrough Breast Cancer Research Unit at the University of Edinburgh has marked its first anniversary with an event for patients and supporters. The unit aims to become a leading centre in the fight against the most commonly diagnosed cancer in British women. Professor David Harrison helped to set up the unit last year and leads the team of breakthrough scientists.
So what we've been able to do with Breakthrough is, over the last year or so, we've been able to bring together a group of researchers to work specifically on the question of breast cancer. We're based here in the hospital, we're right beside the Edinburgh Breast Unit, so we've got a lot of NHS support and buy-in as well. That means that what we're doing, we hope, is really relevant not just to the science community, but also to patients. So we're really focusing here on two major science questions. The first of these is to look at women who've initially responded to treatment with hormonal manipulation, but who then develop resistance, trying to understand why that has happened and can we predict in whom it might happen. And the second question is really to get one step beyond genes and the mutations in genes that we know are important in cancer, and it's trying to understand what controls the expression of those genes. It's rather like thinking a dimmer switch rather than simply an on-off button. Can we control the cancer? Can we turn it down? And if we can, perhaps that will lead to new approaches to treating cancer.
Breakthrough Breast Cancer is committed to fighting the disease through research, campaigning and education.
Scotland has a huge expertise in research, and the centre here in Edinburgh applied in a very competitive situation and were successful. So not only did that allow Breakthrough to set up the research unit here, but also to realise a longer term ambition to have an office based here in Edinburgh as well. So it's given us a presence across Scotland, which was much needed.
The charity also funds units in London and Manchester and believes that by supporting such research they can help to deliver a future free from the fear of breast cancer.
Well, research was what Breakthrough was set up initially to be focused on, and really is at the mainstay of our work, saving lives and changing futures. So the research units are key to our success and very important to those people who support Breakthrough. For them, research, the answer is there for, even if it's not to benefit themselves, for their mothers, daughters, sisters, friends who may be affected by breast cancer in the future. It's all about making it better for them as well.
The anniversary event gave patients and supporters an opportunity to see the research unit in action and to hear about the progress that's been made during the first year.
I think it's very important that we encourage all our scientists here, whether directly Breakthrough funded or funded through other grants, to actually be involved. Meeting patients for a scientist is a huge stimulus, a huge challenge, and a real benefit for them to meet patients, and of course for patients and supporters to see the work that's going on. Actually, there's a real sense of teamwork and partnership.
The scientists hope that by working closely with patient groups, they will help to raise awareness of breast cancer in Scotland and beyond.
Breakthrough have just done this major survey which showed that 1 in 6 people really don't have a clue about breast cancer symptoms. I would hope that we can try and do work to raise awareness throughout Scotland while fundraising and doing other campaigning work at the same time.
This production is copyright the University of Edinburgh.